Hi friends, it's Sue. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be fixing this broken nail here, and to do that I'm going to be using polygel, which is something I haven't used in a long time. So I already did her manicure, so I'm going to go in and prime her nails with my primer. I'm going to use a thick base coat. This is one of those types of rubber base coats. I just got it at my local beauty supply or nail supply store. Just want to put on a nice even layer, semi-thick, not too thick, but semi-thick layer before you apply the polygel. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply this form, and once I get that on there, I'm going to go in and apply the polygel to fix her nail and extend it so they match the rest. So the brand that I'm using is called Rosalind. They gave me 6 colors. This is like their polygel starter kit, and it comes with these 6 colors here. And if you saw in the previous clip, I'm actually going to be using the clear polygel. So we have the polygel that comes in a tube. What you're going to need other than a polygel is this like double-sided tool, which one part comes with a spatula and on the other side will be a brush, and then you just take out a little bit of polygel, however much you think you need, and then you just place it on the nail. And then a lot of polygel comes with like a slip solution, but if you don't have a slip solution, you can either use alcohol or acetone. I actually am using acetone here, and I've tried using this polygel before, and I feel like using the acetone just worked better for me than alcohol. I think, yeah, the alcohol, it was like even with the alcohol, I felt like the polygel was still sticking to the brush, which isn't supposed to happen. So I opted for my acetone, and it worked really well. And after our polygel is applied and cured, I'm going to go and file my nail here. One of the things I like about polygel is that it's very easy to file. It's a lot softer than acrylic, and the dust also is different as well. I think the dust is technically heavier than like the acrylic dust, so kind of just like the dust kind of falls to the table versus like flying up in the air, which I really appreciate. So I didn't even feel the need to use my dust collector for here. And then also polygel is a lot softer than acrylic, so you don't need to use like, well, I didn't need to use an e-file for this part. I just used my hand file to just shape up her nails really quick. And after the shaping is all done, we're gonna just go ahead and dust off the nail, and look how pretty that is. You can't even tell like where the polygel is, where the polygel starts and her natural nail starts, because I only went like halfway up the nail. I didn't even put the polygel all over her whole nail. So, and then this is the final look with her polish on and everything like that. It's like you can't even tell which nail was the broken one. Yay! As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!